Hey everyone! Turning your Trello board into a professional Gantt chart is the best way to visualize your project deadlines and see how tasks overlap. While Trello is famous for its cards, the Gantt view gives you the big picture timeline you need for complex projects. Step 1. Access the Power Up directory. We are starting with the Board menu. We do this to open the marketplace of integrations that extend Trello's basic functionality. On your Trello board, click the Power Ups button in the top header, or open the menu on the right and select Add Power Ups. This opens the library where you can search for professional project management tools. Step 2. Search and install Placker. Now we are looking for the specific tool, Gantt Chart by Placker. We do this because Placker offers one of the most stable and feature-rich Gantt views for Trello users. Use the search bar in the Power Up directory and type Gantt Chart by Placker. Click the Add button. You will likely see a pop-up asking to authorize the integration. Click Allow to let Placker sync with your cards and dates. Step 3. Authorize the integration. We are navigating the permissions screen. We do this to create a secure link between Trello's data and Placker's charting engine. If prompted, log in to Placker. You can usually use your Trello or Google account. Grant Placker access to read your boards and cards. Without this authorization, the Gantt chart cannot pull your dates or task names. When you authorize, you are essentially giving Placker a digital key, an API token. This key allows Placker to read your card's names, labels, and, most importantly, their start and end dates. Step 4. Toggle on the Gantt view. We are finishing back on your Trello board header. This is how you actually flip the switch to see your timeline. Look at the top of your board for the new Gantt chart or Placker icon that appeared after installation. Click that icon to toggle the view. Your screen will split or refresh to show your cards as a professional Gantt chart with bars and dependency lines. Because Placker is a third-party power-up, it operates on its own servers to calculate the complex math required for Gantt charts, like calculating lead times and critical paths, that Trello doesn't do natively. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.